What is up, you guys? So today we have the Nike SB Jordan 1 Lows, the ERIK Koston collaboration. Yep. So yeah, you just have the close-up of the shoe right here. Silver Nike swoosh, suede on the blue, right over here. Air Jordan wing logo on the back in white. Yep. And the biggest standout of this shoe is probably like this embroidered Jumpman logo on the toe area. It is embroidered. It's a really cool touch in red, and this is probably the best part of the whole shoe in my opinion. And also the Nike SB tab on the tongue. And yeah, like when I tried this shoe on, it is a true to size shoe. Just go your normal Jordan 1 sizing and it should fit you perfectly. It also comes with a set of white laces, and there seems to be a small touch of red inside the tongue, as you can see in here. A little bit of red in the tongue to match this Jordan logo out here, you already know. And there's like a little red thing right here too, really small red thing. Yeah. Overall, I think this shoe is a pretty unique design. Like the coloring, the design of it as a whole is pretty casual, pretty slick, and it's not like a really loud shoe in my opinion. It's just like a good casual everyday shoe, like for skateboarding, you know. And look at the bottom. It's a typical Jordan 1 bottom. Nice. Yeah, like they aren't even reselling for that much right now. Like if you hit it, like you're only gonna make like a little bit of profit. So I say these are a good cop for personal only, and they are a really cool design. So yeah, that's it. The Jordan 1 Low ERIK Koston. And yep, let's see what the next color would be. I think what would be really cool is if they made like a black one. Instead of a blue, it's black. I think that would be a lot better because black tends to do pretty well. Alright, so there you have it.